I've got some 59mm suspension for my TRX phone, and I've got to put some new oil in. Okay, so I'm gonna start by unscrewing the cap. I've done it. I'm gonna do the same for the other three, and I'll come back to you. I'm gonna put some oil in it, 2 to 3 drops in. 1, 2, close one. Well, actually that 3 drops is okay. I'm just gonna put there's no air in it. That looks good. Now I'm gonna put the cap back on. Done, nice and tight. So it's, that's actually really nice. Now to do the other 3. Now I've just realised that if your suspension looks like this, even it's going to go back on top, it's going to make sure you keep pumping it, because there might be some air bubbles in your suspension. Keep doing that. It will make some very weird noise. I'm just going for these rings on, like obviously, like this one. Okay. So, is it going here? On the smaller side. Whoop. I put that. This is so hard to put it. There you go. Oh, no. Should we try that? Right, one on the side, on the suspension. Now you put another ring. No, the rubber seal. Yeah. It fell. Put this in. I can't seem to put it in. On the stretch. There we go. Done it. That's one side done. Now the other side. Another ring. I'm just gonna do this. It should look like this. Okay, of course. You see the ring? It's there. And I'm done. I've done all 4. This is the rings and the rubber seal. Now it's really time to fit them onto the car. Taking the wheels off. I'm going to start unscrewing the old intake of the old suspension. Screw screws. Now that's 1 done, 3 more to go. All of the suspensions are done. I've got some really tall grass. Previously my car can't actually go through the grass, and let's see if we can go through the grass without getting stuck. Let's go. No ways of getting stuck that way. Yeah, we got unstuck. Being alright. course. Well, this tree is actually really tall, as you can make it. That's clearly too tall. Oh, no, it's not. Made it. Now, I think that was pretty good. Now we're gonna find some obstacle and test that out. Let's test it with the stair power. It is over the place because it doesn't have that much. Oh, there it goes. Oh my goodness, it fell. Nice. Really nice. Let's do some donuts in the T-Rex 4M. And it's going to be the last drive in the old track. There'll be some updates coming soon. Just finishing up the video, and then the car wheel fell off, but I'm just gonna get it out.
Wait, what wheel?
Right, I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, it's so muddy now. I lost a bolt. If I can, no, that's not the bolt, is it? I lost a bolt. It's actually okay, so it's not that bad. It's just the wheel fell off. I still have the extension, so that's okay. So I got this one and the wheel. I just lost a bolt, and yeah, that's okay. I was just doing donuts and that happened. Oh well. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.